Hi everyone. So in 8th class chapter number 6 of math, that is linear equation in one variable. Okay. So from the name of the chapter there are 2-3 important words which is very important. Okay. So we have to understand what is equation, then what is a linear equation, and what is a variable. Okay, these are very important terms. So before starting the chapter we will discuss them. Okay, so first is equation. So in an equation there are three things. One is this equal to sign, one is this LHS, and one is this RHS, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, जो left hand and right hand side है, these will be algebraic expression. Okay, algebraic expression means they will contain the variables. Okay, and this is the sign of equal. So this is the equation. There are two LHS and RHS, left hand and right hand side, equal to sign, and the algebraic expressions. Okay, then what is mean of linear equation? So linear equation क्या होती है आपकी? Equation in which the degree of variable is 1. Okay, equation in which the degree of variable is 1, or we will also call it power. Power of variable is 1. Now I am writing some example for you. That is 4 minus 2x is equal to 1. Now here right hand side, left hand side. Okay, so this is the constant, these are the constant. Okay, इनके साथ कोई variable नहीं है, but here x is the variable. Now what is linear equation? Equation in which the degree of variable is 1 or the power is 1. अब यहाँ पे x की पावर क्या है? 1. ओके, यहाँ पे उसकी क्या है? पावर ऑफ x is 1. So this is the linear equation in one variable. More example are, you can write any 2x plus 3 is equal to 13. x की पावर क्या होनी चाहिए? 1. अब x ही नहीं, यहाँ पे कोई भी वेरिएबल हो सकता है. इट कैन बी a plus 2a equal to 10. Okay, variable power 1, वेरिएबल इज a and its power is 1. ओके, अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन में कोई भी लेटर हम यूज कर सकते हैं, बट लीनियर इक्वेशन में क्या होना चाहिए? द पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल विल बी 1. नाउ द लास्ट वर्ड इज लेफ्ट, दैट इज वेरिएबल. व्हाट इज वेरिएबल? ओके, सो वेरिएबल is a letter used for a unknown number. In an equation. Okay, variable is a letter used for unknown number in an equation. उसकी how to solve a linear equation or any equation. Okay, the method we use, we call it transposing. This you already know कि what is transposing. In transposing, what we will do, we will shift or the shifting a term from one side to other side by changing its sign. Okay, like if I have, okay, wait. Now what is transposing? Shifting a term from one side to other side by changing its side. Okay, so you have to clear कि when a term is positive and if we will change its side means left hand side to right hand side, या right hand side to left hand side. Okay, when we change the side, the plus sign will change into negative sign. Okay, positive sign will change into negative sign. Okay, and the term which is in multiply will go in divide, but there is one condition, sign will also go. Sign of number will also go. Okay, in this, if a term is positive, the sign will change. Okay, but when a term is in multiply, it will go in divide. It will go in divide. Okay, but the sign of the number will also go with it. Okay, but if a number is in plus, it will go in negative. Okay, automatically उसका sign change हो जाएगा, but not in case of multiply and divide. Let me explain you this concept with the help of one example. That is your exercise 6.1 question 1. There are so many part. Okay, suppose first time solving f part, that is minus y upon 2 is equal to 5. Okay, we have to find the value of variable, और इसमें variable क्या है, y. Okay, so what I can do, I know this is like this. I am rewriting it. Okay, so now this 2 is in divide. Okay, and this one is in multiply. Okay, so what we will do, we will take this number on the right hand side and keep the variable on one side. So if I will keep the variable here, y equal to, first is 5, then first see this 2. Okay, this is in divide. When we will take it on the other side, it will go in. Okay, then and it is plus 2, so automatically plus 2 ही रहा, वो उसका साइन चेंज नहीं हुआ, बिकॉज डिवाइड एंड मल्टीप्लाई जब इनको इंटरचेंज करते हैं साइन विल नॉट चेंज, वो उसके साथ ही जाएगा. नाउ इट इज -1 in multiply, it will go in divide with sign. Now when we will solve it, 5 to the 10 upon -1. I can also write it like this, -10 upon 1. Okay, so from here y will equal to -10. Now one more question. This is I part. Question is -4 x minus 12 equal to -5. We have to solve this linear equation. So board mass we know कि first of all bracket को solve करना होगा हमें. So bracket means multiply. Multiply this number inside. -4 and x, -4x, -4 and -12. Minus multiply minus plus, it will become 12 4s are 48 equal to -5. नाउ इन सॉल्विंग व्हाट यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड कि कांस्टेंट जो नंबर होगा वो कांस्टेंट के साथ ही प्लस माइनस हो सकता है एंड द नंबर विच इज इन विद वेरिएबल टर्म वो वेरिएबल टर्म के साथ ही प्लस माइनस हो सकता है. ओके, सो वी विल टेक दिस 48 इनटू द राइट हैंड साइड -4x इक्वल टू, अब मैं इसको साइड चेंज कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे ये प्लस में है. ओके, सो इट विल चेंज इनटू -48. Now we know minus minus plus, but sign will remain of negative. It will become 53 and -4x. Now this -4x is in multiply with x. ये तो हमें पता ही है, अगर कोई साइन नहीं है बीच में मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई है. नाउ दिस डिजिट, इस टर्म में से इसका जो कोफिशिएंट है, ओके, दिस ऑल्सो विल गो इन राइट साइड, बट ये कैसा ऑपरेशन है, मल्टीप्लाई. ओके, सो फ्रॉम मल्टीप्लाई इट विल गो इन डिवाइड विद इट्स साइन, अपने साइन के साथ जाएगा वो, ये आपने ध्यान रखना है. व्हेन इट विल गो चेंज फ्रॉम डिवाइड टू मल्टीप्लाई और मल्टीप्लाई टू डिवाइड, इट विल गो विद इट्स साइन. ओके, सो -53 मल्टीप्लाई से अब डिवाइड में जाएगा, डिवाइड -4, नेगेटिव नेगेटिव साइन कैंसल. ओके, और आई कैन राइट इट लाइक दिस ऑल्सो इन मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन 13 1/4. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ x variable. So rest of the part you will try, and this is very important that if you will try by yourself, then only you are able to solve this equation. Okay, so in this video I will explain only up to here question 1. In next video I will share the rest of the question with you. So now try all part of it.